In this video, I am going to tell you about some new features of iPhone 13, which are available in iOS 18. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video. At lock screen. Now you will get some customization options. Here you can change wallpaper colors, add some new widgets at the middle of screen, and also add new shortcuts except camera and flashlight. In camera section, now pausing video while recording is available after iOS 18 update. This feature was not available in the previous updates, but now it is added to iPhone 13. In settings, when you go to camera option and then tap on record sound, here you will get a stereo sound option. You have to select stereo and then turn on audio playback for best experience. In iPhone 13, you will get a new photographic style option. Here you can select warm, cool, vibrant, rich contrast, and standard option for photography tone. This option is not available to any previous models, but it is added in iPhone 13. In iPhone 13, you can select photos by tap and hold in Safari or Google. Then add other photos. Now leave browser and go to Photos app. Here leave these images. And now these images are downloaded to Gallery of iPhone. So these are some useful and interesting tricks of iPhone 13, which every user must know. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.